Hey my lovely babes, it is your girl Neat Lavish, and if you are new, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this glueless look. And yes, you heard me right, glueless. Like, look at this hole. This wig is not going anywhere. And I'm going to show you the products that I use to achieve this look. So today I'm using the skin protectant and melting spray from the company called My Sticky Little Secret. So I already colored and customized this wig. So if you want to see how I colored it, make sure to go check out my TikTok because we're not here for that. We're here to install the wig. So I have all four of their products: their skin protector, melting spray, lace glue remover, and of course their lace glue. But for this video, y'all, I'm not going to put on the lace glue or doing glueless. I'm taking my edge booster and I'm applying that all over my edges, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and slick all of that down, just because we gotta still protect our edges under these wigs, y'all. Like, come on now, it's 2023, let's get it together. Now I am going over that edge booster with some Glueless knot, and I'm placing that all over my edges as well. Once my edges are all molded down, I'm going over with some oil and applying that all over my scalp. It's very important to oil your scalp before you apply your wigs, y'all. It is not that deep. I promise you, we want to make sure we always take care of our hair under these wigs. Now we're going to go ahead and use our skin protectant, and look at this cute little bottle, y'all. Like, it looks so cute. So we're gonna take it, and it says to pat it in. I usually just swipe, so maybe I'm doing everything wrong, but pat in that skin protectant so we can go ahead and apply this melting spray. Whenever I have a closure wig, I don't do the bald cap method, so applying this wig cap wasn't really necessary, but I used it anyway just because I wanted to, still protect my edges. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses, and I'm applying this makeup all over my lace. Y'all stay in my lace. I don't know how, because I'm not new to the coloring. I'm not, but for some reason I stained my lace, but it's okay because we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my head. And this wig is by yours truly, Lavish Dream Hair. If you guys want this wig, I'll make sure to have my Instagram link below. Parting the hair, oh my gosh, y'all, when it comes to doing the side part, it takes me forever because I don't know what side I want it on. I don't know if I want to move my closure to the left side of my head, the right side, and I just feel like this is just very tedious. So I try to take my time when it comes to parting. Your hot comb is your best friend when it comes to laying down your lace and making sure that your wig does not look wiggy. So I'm just taking my hot comb and pushing all that hair back before we go ahead and use our melting spray. Because I did not do the bald cap method, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of that Ruby Kisses and apply that on my wig cap. And let me tell you about this melting spray. It felt like water. It did not feel sticky. It felt like I was not applying anything on my head. So I was getting a little scared. But y'all, I don't know about you guys, but I love me some Even, but it's so sticky. She's old reliable, do not get me wrong, but this right here did not feel like I was putting anything on my head. Like, my forehead did not feel tacky. I did not feel icky. It just felt like I was applying water. And usually I do not apply melting spray on top of my lace just because I feel like it gets really crunchy, but with this product right here, it was a whole different game changer. Once that is all said and done, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and lay down my wig with an elastic band. While we are waiting for our lace to melt, I'm gonna take some heat protectant. You can get this from your local beauty supply store, and I'm gonna apply this all over my hair. And after about 10 minutes, I went ahead and took off my elastic band, and look at that. Ooh, yeah, she was stuck. Now it is time for my favorite part, molding the wig. I feel like this part is very crucial. You don't want your wig to look like a wig. Even though we have a wig on our head, y'all, we want that wig flat. We want it to look like it is growing out our scalp. So with that being said, a wax stick and a hot comb is going to be your best friend whenever you are installing a wig. To give your closure wigs more of a realistic look, we're going to go ahead and cut off these little tabs on the side of the lace. We do not need it. Get rid of it. Go away. Now, when it comes to cutting off all the extra lace, I usually just use a razor. You can get this from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to take my time and cut all that lace off. Now in these next few clips, you're just going to see me repeating the same process, molding down my wig, laying down my elastic band, doing my layers. So it's just more so of a repeated thing, just so I can get my wig exactly how I want it. So because this is only a 5x5 closure, I can only do one little swoop. So I'm just sectioning out my baby hairs and plucking all the hair I do not need, so we can go ahead and cut my little baby hairs out. Since the hair has been bleached and colored, it's a little hard to see the scalp. So I just went ahead and plucked out some of the hairs just so I can make my side part a little bit more natural. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our mini flat iron and flip up our baby hair. Depending on the mood and how I'm feeling, some days I use the mousse to lay down my edges. Sometimes I use Glueless. Sometimes I use Got the Bee in the black bottle. It just depends on my mood. So today I just went ahead and used some mousse. And child, laying down your baby hairs be making you want to fight somebody. It takes time. Once I'm done with my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this wig to life and add some curls to it. I'm just using a regular curling iron. I believe I got this at Target. Now to get that scalp, that side part to look like scalp, you gotta add concealer. You have to. Do not argue with me, argue with your man. I know I used to be one of them girlies who did not like to add concealer to that part because for what? But if you want that crisp part, please add some concealer and you will definitely see a difference. Just try it. Just look, like you see the scalp appearing. And after taking my time to lay down my wig, y'all, I love it. This looks so amazing. And these two products right here did what needed to be done. And I loved how I was able to achieve this with zero glue. So if you need something quick, easy, this product is the one for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.